Hi guys, so I just want to reveal something to you. I'll give a quick review on how it works and whatnot. I got a new tripod because usually I just use my own Ringlight tripod, so it's the one that I use for everything, but I was like, I need something smaller, portable, that I can take with wherever I'm going, and it must be also be flexible. On another journey where I'm learning how to sew and I'm selling stuff that I've mastered how to make. So obviously I do my own photo shoot, I take my own records. I need something that is stable for my reels wherever I am, something to take videos, to showcase whatever I've worked on. So yeah, right now I'm just preparing dinner, as you all saw at the beginning of the video. So this is the tripod that I got today. It's not as strong. This is how it looks. If you are on WeChat, you can order this for yourself. On Pinduoduo, you can order it for yourself because it's actually much cheaper there. Okay, it is cheaper on WeChat and Pinduoduo stuff, because I think this is like approximately maybe $50, maybe in dollars. But of course, that's just the price for this, but excluding shipping, VAT, then it might go to as well as 150. So I was like, okay, it's January, why not get it local? Because now in China they're having the holidays and they won't open anytime soon, or if you order something, you'll not get it anytime soon. So this is us unboxing it, and I guess I'll just share with you all the equipment that I use for my YouTube. And this is just you starting up. You don't have to start with everything. As you can see, I'm just buying things one by one. So it comes in a set like this, and then this is how it looks. It comes with this where you can hook your smartphone. It comes with that where you can hook your smartphone. All right, and this is how portable it is. Like literally, it's not that big. So what made me buy this thing? You know, before I was using this one and it was quite short. It broke how many times, I don't know. Those legs are not working. That is how I improvised. And this I bought like maybe a year and a half ago. So what I love about this tripod is this feature, this thing here, because this is where we'll screw our cell phone. Gosh. So this is how it works. There's a thing there that I'm using, so I can attach this. Okay. So we're done. Let me quickly get my phone. So this is just another extra phone that I have, and we'll use it for demonstrating purposes. So say this is how you put your smartphone there, right? This thing can move. So if I want to take a video like this, I can. See, there are things here, and then I can unscrew that, and then I can take the video like this. Say for example, I'm making a cooking, or I'm seated down here and I want people to see, you know, from the aerial view. This is how it will work, and I can still make it like this with just this function, and then we can as well as tilt it on the side. So I mean, this is the only feature that made me buy this thing. I know this thing will not last, or not that it will not last, it will last, but it's not as strong, because this is how it works. As you open it, that's how smaller it gets. You know, it can stop here, or you can go ahead and pull it out as well. So, and that's how far it can go. But I don't really mind how short it is. Oh, actually we can still go again, and that's how far it can go. and that is how wide it goes. So I'll put a video here on how it looks literally. Now I just want to show you how far, or I'll show you a video on when it is on its own. Right, so this is how long it is. It's like I am 1.6 something, but this is how far it can go. So I believe it's maybe one, yeah, maybe it's one. What is written here? What is written here? It's like, I hope you can see this. It's 120 milliliters, so it's about 100 and something centimeters. So it's quite okay with me. It's doable. If I'll need anything, I can simply remove my tripod and use the tripod. I can remove this head and use it on my tripod, but this one will be very, very useful when I'm traveling. I can just walk around, I can travel around with this thing. So I think I'm just going to go ahead and show you all the types of things that I use, hardwares that I use for my YouTube channel. So that is the latest addition to the collection, and I have a ring light here that is way taller than me. I think it's how many meters? It's about maybe 1.5. It's really long. It's very, very long. So this is how it is. It's 16 it's about 12 inches LED. This I purchased, I think 3 years ago. Yeah, I think it's safe to say 3 years ago, because I bought it immediately when I quit my job. So it comes with it came with this shade. So if I don't want to use white, I can go ahead and use this color. So these are the two, but this is the ring light that I use. And then for my sound, I use this. It's a BOYA. It's a BOYA microphone, and it's that type. So I bought this. I also bought this from SA about a year ago, maybe. Not really a year. Yeah, maybe roughly a year. I think it's a year. So this is how it looks. So far I don't have a camera, I just use my phone, and this is what I've been using. It comes with this condenser that diffuses or cancels the background noise. It's about, I think, 3 meters if I'm not mistaken long. You can use it on your smartphone, on a camera recorder, DSL cameras, as an audio recorder on your PC, etc. Yeah, it's 3.5. Yeah, 3.5. So this I've never used, because this is when you are using your camera, and I do not have one. So we're gonna keep that. And then another thing that I've shown you, the ring light, I bought it from Todia Accessories here in Namibia. It's a boutique, and that was a long time ago. I think I bought it for 1 point something, you know, before we knew how to order things for ourselves. This octopus tripod I ordered from, I actually ordered one on AliExpress that came with the remote. So this remote works for your smartphone, and it works for your camera if you have a DSLR camera. But there's an alternative place where you can get these. I think there are a lot more now in Namibia. You can check on Your Market Namibia. The second place where I bought the second one that I gave away was in Maruamo. There's a place opposite Street Shit, Maruamo. the sale gadgets. So that's where I bought this one, and it was about, I think it was $100 or 150, but it did not come with this, with a remote. A remote I got from the one that I ordered was exactly, they are exactly the same, but it's just that when you order with Ali, it takes forever. You totally forget about whatever you have ordered. So basically that's where I got this, and I think altogether was like maybe $20 Namibian, but it took at least 3, maybe 4 months before I actually got the things from Nampost. I think it was also because it was that time of Corona, ne? I think it's the time, the very first time Corona hit China. So that's where shipments were also taking longer. I totally forgot about it until they called me, like, no, we have something for you from China. And I think I only paid maybe $18 or $16 when I received it at customs here in Namibia. And then there's this one that I got. Let me use my tripod here. Let me use my ring light to show you what I'm talking about. So another addition that I added was this one. I also liked it because it's really portable. You see how small it is. You just put it in your purse wherever you're going. If you're traveling, you can have it on hand. So this one is just a desktop version of a tripod, literally. So you can use it for your phone can go there, your tablet can also go there as well. So this is how it works. So it has those little things where you put your smartphone, so it can go as high as that. So, and also you can push it in like so. Like right now I was recording using this, because if you just want your phone to be stable on your table, or you see, you can just adjust it however you want. So this is basically good for your Zoom meetings and just anything that you can think of. Even for my recording, I do use this for my sit down videos. I do because the problem that I faced with my ring light is the fact that I also wanted my head to be, you know, to be illuminated by light. So I just didn't want the light coming straight on my face, because I just wanted the whole thing to be clear enough. So that's when I went on and purchased this, because the other small one was giving me problems. This one was giving me problems. Remember, I told you it broke, so it's not really stable. You can't have it the way you want it on the table. But yeah, it's good because then I put it like so, and then it's on the table, and then I'm here, I'm recording, and then my ring light will be on the other side, illuminating my whole body. I can't give you direct links to where I bought these things, because it's just, like I said, boutique, AliExpress and whatnot. But I'll try to add links of similar. I'm not sure, so if you buy it, don't say you saw it here. It's just a similar. I've never used it, so really don't blame me if you buy something that is not working.